Behold, the King of Zion comes, in meekness he appears. Fulfillment of the prophet's words now quiets ancient fears. No crown of gold adorns his head, no throne of earthly might, yet rides he in the Holy One, the source of truth and light. Hosanna to the Lord of all, the Son of David King. Blessed is he who comes in peace. Let every nation sing. Hosanna in the highest courts. Let heaven and earth proclaim. All glory to the Prince of Peace. Forever praise his name. The people spread their garments down, with branches lifted high. They cry aloud with joyful hearts as he is passing by. Hosanna to the promised one. Their faithful voices raise, yet few can see the path he walks.